What is this?
It is the new TNS meal.
It was in that moment that I knew that what I was about to experience was a heavenly masterpiece of macronutrients, gains, protein, and deliciousness.
The nutrition store meal?
The nutrition store meal.
Well, tell me about that, Fran.
Yeah, so
Ooh.
it has grilled chicken, jasmine rice, black beans, and broccoli. Oh, paired with sugar-free barbecue sauce. My brother and I started HM Meal Prep back in 2016. Back then it was Healthletic Meals. We realized that there wasn't a service locally that would make healthy meals for people. At that point, I was doing a lot more bodybuilding, and my brother was trying to do like a lean bulk. For anybody that has not tried our food before, I invite them to check out our website. We have a lot of meals, a lot of flavors, a lot of options from low carb to family style to subscription or non-subscription.
Those protein pancakes are bomb.
That too. For whoever's watching this video, if you wanna go to our DMs and just write TNS and let us know that we watched it, then we'll send you a 10% discount so you can use it online.
Heck yeah.
Or if you come to our store and then show us the video itself, we can also give it to you in store.